Hello everyone, so this is just a quick review of what conjunctions are. Conjunctions are used to connect words, phrases, and sentences. So they make our sentences more complex. It avoids using those short sentences that we have, and it's just more interesting. So let's look at the ones that we've learned so far. Of course, there are many, but let's look at just what we've learned so far. Okay, so we used or. Or is a conjunction that's used to show a choice between two or more options. So what sport do you prefer to play? Soccer or cricket? And is another conjunction which is used to connect words and sentences. It also adds information. So look at the first one. This Wednesday is a holiday and I would like to go to the movies with my friends. Muhammad likes to eat apples and oranges. So the first one adds information, the second one just connects those two words. But is used to show different or opposite ideas. Rohan plays soccer well, but he's an impatient player. So is used to express result. I studied hard, so I passed the test. And let's look at the last three that we learned. Because is used to give a reason. Because I studied hard, I passed the test. I passed the test because I studied hard. Although is used to make the main statement in a sentence seem surprising. Although the sun was shining, it was still cold. He ran the marathon, although he was 80 years old. When is used to indicate time. When I get home from school, I'm going straight to my bed. I am going straight to my bed when I get home from school. Now, you may have noticed with the last three, because, although, and when, notice that when these conjunctions, because, although, and when, are used at the beginning of a sentence, it must have a comma in the middle. Why? Because the sentence depends on something to complete its meaning. But when it's used in the middle of a sentence, they do not need a comma because the sentence is already complete. Let's look at that. Do you see that? Because used in the beginning at the beginning of a sentence must take a comma. Same thing with although and when. When they're used in the middle, you see no commas. Okay, so all right, so hope you reviewed this. So now take your test and all the best to you.